Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into a common problem faced by website owners, especially those with large static sites. The problem we'll be tackling is all about efficient deployment strategies. So here's the problem. Imagine you have a massive static site with over 120,000 pages and a hefty size of 2 GB deployed on Firebase Hosting. And guess what? It keeps growing. Now, deploying all of this every single time there's a change, even a minor one, can be quite the hassle. That's where we need to think about how to break down this mammoth project into smaller, more manageable pieces for deployment. But fret not, because here comes the solution: incremental deployment to the rescue. Firebase Hosting actually already handles incremental deployments for us. In a nutshell, whenever you run Firebase deploy, only the new, modified, or deleted files get processed. Yep, you heard that right. No need to upload the unchanged files every single time. This nifty feature is like a game changer, especially for sites like yours with a plethora of unmodified assets. So, problem identified: large site, frequent changes, and the hassle of deploying the entire shebang each time. And solution in place: incremental deployment, making your life way easier when it's time to push those updates live. And that's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, deploying your site shouldn't be a headache. Let Firebase Hosting do the heavy lifting for you. Catch you in the next one.